As we speak, E. coli levels are still dangerously high in the Potomac River after a sewer system partly collapsed weeks ago. Now, with repairs expected to take months, we wanted to get some important context on how bad this situation really is. Tonight, our Victoria Sanchez got answers on how elevated those E. coli levels are and what parts of the river are impacted.
Crossing the American Legion Bridge from Virginia to Maryland, you could smell it before you can see it. Now we're standing along the C&O Canal where crews are working around the clock to clean up the wastewater spill. Around 250 million gallons is estimated to have come from that broken pipe. The sewage pouring out near Lock 10 is heavily contaminated with E. coli. DC water sample results from the drainage channel show as of Monday, E. coli levels at more than 1,700 times the EPA standards. Downstream, at 4 other testing sites, the numbers are within safety parameters. Waterway watchdog Potomac Riverkeeper is not convinced the district is doing all it can.
If this spill had happened in the summer, I can tell you the entire river would be closed. There'd be tons of testing. There'd be a lot of public health advisories going out. But for whatever reason, because it's winter, it's not happening. All I can say is we don't know the long-term impacts of this.
Late Monday night, DC Water battled another sewage overflow. This one caused by non-disposable wipes, clogging up bypass pumps used to clean up the January 19th spill. Around 5,000 gallons poured out, but did not flow into the Potomac. The Potomac Riverkeeper and University of Maryland are testing the water too, and coming up with different numbers.
Our data showed there was a public health concern, a public health risk by coming in contact with the river. We've been saying since day one that DC Water should not be in the business of trying to issue a public health advisory or telling people or doing the testing. That independent public health agencies should be doing their job.
DC Water doesn't have a timeline on how long this cleanup could last, but it could take weeks. The Potomac Riverkeeper is worried about the long-term effects from this sewage spill, especially with the warmer temperatures and the ice and snow starting to melt into the river. Victoria Sanchez, 7 News.